When you buy this tutorial, you're not only going to learn some diabolical routines that you can perform in your virtual shows, you're going to learn an important, essential lesson about audience management. And no one does it better than Max Maven.
What I'm about to do is to involve you, the home viewer. Get up off that sofa and come over here to your TV screen. Maybe they didn't hear me. I said come up off the couch, up to the TV set right here. That's better.
Max Maven is the grand master when it comes to mentalism. His thinking, his knowledge, his understanding of this craft is light years ahead of anyone else creating material. To my knowledge, Max was the first person to perform interactive demonstrations through a screen.
In these strange new times, magicians and mentalists are exploring new conditions. Shows are being performed from afar, using Zoom, or FaceTime, or Skype, and other technologies. Creating amazement within those restrictions can be quite a challenge. Turn over the card that's in your hand. And show it to everybody by showing it to me. That's the one. I have been exploring these unusual territories for over 40 years, creating pioneering interactive mysteries in print, radio, television, on DVD, on computers, and now I am putting that experience to work for you.
With the recent explosion of virtual performances, we find ourselves travelling on a path that Max has been travelling for decades before us.
Max blazed the trail of touchscreen interactive magic that is so popular right now.
These 6 tricks are all distinctly different and all distinctly fooling. I can't wait to try each and every one of these virtual visions.
In this series, you're going to get an arsenal of impactful magic designed specifically for this new kind of format. And with this series, you can learn how to interact with your viewers, turning cool magic tricks into mind-blowing effects.
In each download, you'll see me perform a routine with a genuine spectator, someone who knows nothing in advance. Then I will explain the methods with full details. I have been staying in front of the curve maybe for longer than you've been alive. Come on in. The water's fine.